Um, sorry. Let's do it again. What's up, awesome people, and happy holidays to you guys. Because today, I haven't posted for any Togaboka videos or any videos this week because I was busy with school and stuff. And second, we're making a role play. It's gonna be a normal day because I have nothing else to do, and it's literally like early in the morning right now. Hold on, let me put my camera. See? I'm right here, and I'm so exhausted. Because the reason why I did not go to school, it's because my sister was sick. So let me just shut off my camera real quick. So let's get started with the role play. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, as a reminder to all, these are not parents. It's just like brother and sister growing up for Christmas or something. I don't know. One second, guys. Morning, Squatter. You're supposed to be asleep. Stupid phone. Who's calling me at this time of the morning? Hello? Voicemail. Stupid. I gotta go. Go where? Over at my friend's house. I need to spend the night over there. Oh, okay. Want to pack the stuff with you? Yeah. Plus, I'm going ice skating. At this time of the morning? Yeah, they opened up at like a lot of times already. So, don't even judge me. Where's my hat? Alright, see y'all later. Where did Aaron go? Oh, he's in the bathroom washing up. Okay. Well, I gotta go to the store. Well, I better get changed so I brought some for clothes real quick. And... let's go get my hair done. Just pretend that it's early in the morning, y'all, because I wish it can turn like into the morning offer session, so Let's get back to it. Hi, haircut please. Oh, okay. It's for free. No money? Yep, no money. Wow. Okay, but thanks. You can come next, my dude. Okay. Thanks. Alright, dude, just let me wash your hair if you have, I suppose. Okay. There we go. And put your hair and... Alright, my dude, let's do your hair. Having fun, my dude? Yes. Shut this stupid thing off. Ugh. Alright, my dude. You don't have to pay because you're too beautiful for it. What? Thanks anyway for the hair. What was that about? My dude, I don't have to pay for this. You're stupid. Morning, Blondie. It's not Blondie. It's Max. It's not a Stranger Things roleplay. Reminders. Whoa, you actually do the Michael Jordan. Dang. Yep, I've been practicing. Hello, how you came here to get a pet? Actually, yeah. Oh, you want a pet bird? A snake? I don't know what this is, but they sent it. A meerkat? A guinea pig? Or a hamster? Or a cricket? Or a tarantula? Or a sloth? I hate parrots. Oh. Snakes. Ferocious and it might bite me. And I don't know what that thing is. And a mirror puffer kit. You mean? I hate those. I'm allergic to those. And my mom and dad is allergic to hamsters and guinea pigs. And I hate tarantulas. And I hate freaking crickets. But what do you like? These dogs and cats? Who's that one? Oh, this one? Oh, she's just new here. It's adoption week. Adoption? Yeah. That's why it's called the pet shop. Oh, she looks so cute. Is it a girl? Yeah. You want to take her? Would I? Yes, I would. I just gotta grab all the stuff for it. How? Oh, wait. That's the one problem. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get me a box out of the house and then I'll go get it. Well, looks like you're getting a new home. Not you! Her! No! That's more like it. She was driving home. Meanwhile, Where did she go? You went to the grocery store at this time? Yeah, and I'm getting a new dog. A new dog? Really? Yeah. Yes, really. Where's her wallet? Right there. Thanks. Hey, do we have any boxes? Well, she told me it's under the bed. Which bed? Yours. Looks under the bed. Found it! Can you go to the store with me? Why? Because I said so. Let me get changed. Oh my god. Trust me, she's super duper cute. Sure. Let's go. Shut up, Squiggles. Anyway. You didn't tell me you have a pig. That's because you do eat like a pig. Oh wait, you look just like Peppa Pig. You're not helping. While they're at the store. Alright, y'all are back. Aww. She is so cute. I told you. Let's get her. Woo! How much is for that dog? Oh, $1. Now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, here. Did you just eat that $1? Yeah, I was hungry. I haven't ate anything. You could just go to the court. What court? The food court to get food. Oh, sorry. Anyway, let's get this dog so we can go. So we need a dog bone. What's this? Yeast. Oh, no. So what should we name her? How about Valentina? No. We don't need this box. We can name her Celestia. No. I know. Coco. Fluffy? What? Brownie. Good enough. Let's go. Alright guys, I just got back and is that? She is the most beautiful puppy I ever saw. I know, tell me about it. She's super duper cute. Should we put her in my room? Because you don't have enough space. And why do you have my wallet? Heh. Sorry, I was using it. I don't care at this point. Just put it right there. I'll set up the stuff. How was ice skating? It was good so far. I'm about to go to sleep Because, I have a long day. Yeah, me too. I'm tired. Yep. Back to sleep I go. That's it. Bye.